Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Folks at 8Bitdo are celebrating a major win with their latest retro gaming keyboard and mouse combo, officially licensed for the Xbox console. Today, you can snag the 8Bitdo Xbox Edition Retro TKL keyboard and matching R8 mouse with charging dock for $150. That's almost 25% off its regular price. The keyboard itself is a real showstopper, styled after the original Xbox console, making it a must-have for any retro gaming enthusiast. It's got all the latest features you'd expect from an 8Bitdo device, including tri-mode connectivity, customizable super buttons, and RGB lighting. Plus, with Kyle Jellyfish X switches on a hot-swappable PCB, this thing is built to last. But what really sets it apart is that it's specifically designed for Xbox gamers, with a dedicated Xbox button in the top right corner for instant game bar access. And if you're looking for a matching mouse, 8Bitdo's R8 wireless mouse is an excellent choice, with a translucent shell and PAW 3395 optical sensor support for up to 26K DPI. Now, if you're not ready to commit to the full Xbox Edition combo just yet, Amazon has another great deal on its own. The keyboard is now available for $99.99 shipped, which is $20 off its regular price. That's the lowest we've seen it fetch online so far. And speaking of affordable retro gaming alternatives, Keychron's Q7 model is seeing some wild clearance pricing right now at just $66 for a 70% layout aluminum shell. That's a whopping 67% off its usual price. Not bad if you're on the hunt for something more budget-friendly. So, whether you're looking to level up your retro gaming setup or just want a unique accessory to show off your Xbox fandom, today's deals are definitely worth checking out. At 8Bitdo, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in retro gaming peripherals, and it's great to see them receiving such a warm welcome from fans. And with Amazon and other retailers offering their own discounts on popular models like Keychron, there's never been a better time to explore the world of retro gaming on your Xbox.